Doctrine of Lapse. Doctrine of Lapse by Dr. Deepak Miglani. The doctrine of lapse was an annexation policy followed widely by Lord Dalhousie when he was India's Governor-General from 1848 to 1856. It was used as an administrative policy for the extension of British paramountcy. James Andrew Brown Ramsay, 1st Marquess of Dalhousie, known commonly as Lord Dalhousie, was the Governor-General of India from 1848 to 1856. He had been a famous Scottish statesman. Although he is commonly associated with the doctrine of lapse, it was devised by the Court of Directors of the East India Company as early as 1847, and several smaller states had already been annexed under this doctrine before Lord Dalhousie took the position of the Governor-General. The policy was used far more extensively by him to expand the territorial reach of the East India Company. The doctrine of lapse was an annexation policy extensively applied by East India Company in India until 1859. The doctrine stated that any princely state under the vassalage of the company will have its territory annexed should the ruler of the said state fail to produce an heir. The doctrine and its application were regarded by many Indians as illegitimate. The doctrine of lapse was one of the underlying factors that led to the revolt of 1857. Features of doctrine of lapse. Before the introduction of this doctrine, the princely states had a ritualized method of adoption practiced for centuries. An heir apparent would eventually be selected from a pool of candidates who were groomed for succession from an early age, called bhayats if no competent born-to son were produced, and obviously unsuitable or treasonous born-to son could be excluded from the succession. If the ruler died before adopting a successor, one of his widows could adopt an heir, who would immediately accede to the throne. The adoptee would cut all ties with his birth family. Once the doctrine of lapse came into place, the following features were faced by the Indian rulers. According to this doctrine, any princely state under the direct or indirect, as a vassal, control of the East India Company, should the ruler not produce a legal male heir, would be annexed by the company. This was not introduced by Lord Dalhousie, even though it was he who documented it and used it widely to acquire territories for the British. As per this, any adopted son of the Indian ruler could not be proclaimed as heir to the kingdom. The adopted son would only inherit his foster father's personal property and estates. The adopted son would also not be entitled to any pension that his father had been receiving or to any of his father's titles. This challenged the Indian rulers' long-held authority to appoint an heir of their choice. The doctrine of lapse states annexed. The states that were annexed under this policy are given below in chronological order. Satara 1848, Jatpur 1849, Sambalpur 1849, Bhagat 1850, Udaipur 1852, Jhansi 1853, Nagpur 1854. In 1824, before the time of Dalhousie, the princely state of Kittur was acquired by the East India Company by this doctrine. It was as per this policy that Nana Sahib, the adopted son of the Maratha Peshwa Baji Rao II, was denied his titles and pension. The final moment's straw came when Awadh was annexed to the English East India Company under the terms of the doctrine of lapse on the grounds of internal misrule on 7 February 1856 AD. This annexation was one of the reasons for the revolt of 1857. Effects of doctrine of lapse. Many Indian states lost their sovereignty and became British territories. This led to a lot of unrest among the Indian princes. A lot of people were unhappy with the illegal nature of this doctrine, and this was one of the causes of the Indian revolt of 1857. Nana Sahib and the Rani of Jhansi had grievances against the British because the former's pension was stopped by the British after his foster father died, and the Rani's adopted son was denied the throne under the doctrine of lapse. Dalhousie returned to Britain in 1856. After the Indian Revolt broke out in 1857, his governance was widely criticized as one of the causes of the rebellion. Please like and share the video. Thank you.